They got 2 puppies. Sometimes that leads to double trouble.
Anything that's reachable, they get to.
The first thing that both of you guys are already doing is you're saying their names and they're looking at you. That is arguably the most important behavior in dog training, is being able to get their attention.
Boris, sit.
Good boy.
Really, really good. Once you have that attention, that's when you can ask for the next thing.
If you train them properly and motivate them correctly, you can actually get 2 puppies that want to listen.